If you drive an automatic car, this video is very important for you because some common mistakes can damage your transmission and cost a lot of money. Let's start with number 1. Never shift from drive to reverse while the car is still moving. Many people do this in a hurry, but it puts serious stress on the gearbox and can cause long-term damage. Number 2. Never keep your car in drive while standing too long. If you are stopped for a long time in traffic, use neutral or park when safe. This can reduce unnecessary heat and stress. Number 3. Never press accelerator and brake together. Some drivers do this by mistake. It creates extra wear on brakes and transmission. Number 4. Never ignore transmission fluid service. Transmission fluid keeps internal parts cool and smooth. Dirty fluid can cause slipping, overheating, and expensive repairs. Number 5. Never race the engine before shifting. Revving the engine and then shifting suddenly is harmful for automatic gear systems. Here is the truth. Automatic cars are comfortable and easy to drive, but they need proper habits and regular care. If you avoid these 5 mistakes, your gearbox can last much longer and perform better. Drive smart, maintain your car, and save money. Which mistake have you seen people do? Tell me in the comments.